All right. So this is going to be my third attempt at this on camera. It's quite easy. I mean, it's just a matter of me being a noob. The first pin doesn't even have to be picked. The second pin is needs to be picked, and then the third and fourth just a little bit, just a teeny bit. And before I was oversetting it. So the people who were commenting about this stuff before, you were correct. It's very shallow here, that one, and that one's non-existent. Doesn't even, yeah. So anyway, let's give it a go. And by pulling on this, so this brings it right down so where it's nice and smooth with the key in. Let's give it a go. One or four. Three. There's one. Nope. Go again. Little click out of 4, 3, 2, didn't go. There it goes. Got it. All right. So I guess it's just experience. It's really easy once you recognize. And this thing can spin around while it's open. Oh, no. All right. Anyway, it can spin around like the those plastic ones, but it doesn't fall apart. It does not rattle. One through 4. Two. Yeah, there's a there. 4, 3, 2. It's not going to go again. There. Okay. I had to put a lot of pressure on that. That made the difference. With the light pressure, it wasn't working. Then I was really pushing on this thing hard and trying to pull it down just that way. Anyway, there you go. Master Lock Excell. Let's see here. We can spin this around. No, didn't do it yet. All right, good. That's it. And have a good one.